Today is going to be a quick one. I'm going to put the Nacet Gillette blade in the Merkur 34c with a 1 day's growth. I've already got some sterling soap ready to go here. You can mix it up a little bit. There we go. Wow, that's cold. Well, the weather's starting to get really good here in Ohio. It's in the 60s today. Got my whole house opened up. It's nice. All right. This Nacet was in the Rockwell 6C number 2 plate, and it struggled a little bit. It nicked me up, so I wanted to put it in something that I'm real familiar with, which is the Merkur 34c. So that's what I'm here to do today. Well, let's start it up. Still feels not as sharp as I would like it. Okay. Still feels like it's pulling. All right, let me give this a rinse. Yeah, first pass. I don't know if this blade's even gonna work in this Merkur 34c. We'll see. Okay, now I'm gonna go against the grain because it's only 1 day shave. I can feel the blade. I'll have to comment in the comments section, because this one's hard to tell. I don't know what to expect. All right, let me put some more. Ooh. Down here. Against the grain. Yeah, I mean, this feels like a level or a plate 2 on the Rockwell. So I think my next shave is going to be this blade in a 4 plate. Okay, so yeah, there's still some down here. I'm not going to go at it again. I'm going to wait. I can already tell that it's not gonna work. So I'll hit this again tomorrow or the next day and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching and have a great day.